Hey everyone, today we are going to learn about one of the most useful modules in Python, the datetime module. If you have ever needed to work with dates or time in your programs, this is the tool you need. First, let's import the module. To get the current date and time, use now function from the datetime module. If you only need today's date, use the date class with today function date.today. And if you only need the time portion, use the time function of the datetime module. You can also create your own custom date and time using datetime object. We pass the year, month, day, hour and minute as parameters. Let's comment out the print statements to clearly view the other results. We can use the datetime object to find the difference between two dates in this. Let's run the program. Oh, it looks like there is an error. We cannot put a 0 before the integer number in the date format. Now fix it, run again. We have a negative result because the first date is smaller than the second. If you need to perform date calculation, then use Timedelta function. Now, let's format dates into readable string using Strftime function. I would like to change the date format to the German date format using the Strftime function. %D is the day of the month. %M is the month. %Y is the full year. To convert it back into a datetime object, use Strptime function. It takes a formatted string and turns it back into a datetime object. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.